Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, I would be discussing a very interesting feature of conditional formatting in Excel. We have been discussing quite a number of rules of highlighting certain cells. So as we have understood up till now that conditional formatting is a very interesting and handy visualization tool in Excel which comes to your rescue in quite a number of situations. But today I'll be discussing one very interesting feature using a very simple and interesting data set. Now I have a list of 25 popular Bollywood movies, like you have Dhoom, Three Idiots, Baghi, Dabang, Khaki, Golmaal, Houseful and all. Now using this data set, let us say I want to pick I want to see any of or highlight any of 3 movies based on certain condition or rule. Okay, how would I like to do that? So that's the reason using conditional formatting to highlight X or Y or Z. It could be more also. Okay, I've just kept 3, X, Y or Z. It could be A, B, C, D, 4 also. Okay, so nothing to worry about that. Like for instance, let us say I want to highlight 3 movies from this data set. Okay, how would I go ahead? Okay, that's the agenda of today's session. Now just see, highlight your data set. This is my data set. I have highlighted it. Go to conditional formatting. Okay, select any of the rules. Okay, highlight cell rule, top, bottom, data bars, color scales, whatever. Okay, what you have to simply do is go to more rules. Okay, click on more rules. So there are certain rules over here. In any of the option that you select, okay, here it's only use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, getting the point? It's just simple. You select any option. Okay, like let us say highlight cell rules, go to more rules. You have use a formula to determine which cells to format. I will select this. Even if I go to top or bottom rules, I go to more rules, I select the last one, use a formula to determine which cells to format. I hope you are getting the point. Okay, this is the option that we need to select, whether go through any path. So just select this, format only cells with. Okay, I need to format some cells only, okay, with some content in that. Okay, how do I do it? So I have to highlight, okay, 3 of movies like X, Y, Z. Okay, so how do I go ahead? So you start over here, you have to write the function this way, equals, start with the OR logic. Okay, you'll go with this OR. Okay, let us say I want to highlight race, okay, DDLJ and let us say KGF. Okay, let's see how I'll do it. So start with this. Now just see which is your first cell to refer. Okay, column number A, row number 5. Okay, always start with this. Let us say you will start with A5 is equal to, just write the movies that you wish to highlight. Start with double quotes because this is text, RACE. Let us say I want to see or highlight race, comma, close the quotes, comma, then again the cell A5 equals, in double quotes, let us say KGF. Okay, again A5 equals what, KK triple KG, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, KKKG. Okay, close the quotes, close your parenthesis. Okay, now how do you wish to format? So go to format. Okay, you have number, font, border, patterns. So I'm okay with patterns. Let us say I'm planning to fill this color, okay, for those cells. So this is fine. I say okay. Now you can see these are the movies that get highlighted. Got the point? So it's quite simple. Go through any path. It's only the OR function. Okay, so you have to simply use, I'll write the formula here for you for your convenience so that you can use it. Is equals OR brackets, start with the first cell of your data set, column number A, row number 5. Okay, A5 equals, let us say, X comma a5 equals y, comma a5 equals z. Close your parenthesis. Okay, I'll keep this entire thing in a bracket or else it will produce an error. Okay, because I'm not using any proper variables over here, so just I'll keep it over here. I have written this formula for your reference, so you can use this formula. Okay, just a bit of formatting to make it a bit attractive. Fine. So I hope you found this interesting. Do use this in your various applications, and do share me your applications and how did you use it, in which context you used it. Thank you for today.